sister buy new computer, rent تحية تبع الجيران, but this is a must for the test.
Mister, the test is after 2 weeks, right?
Maybe will be next week, ما بعرف أنا من أكيد they might change it.
Mister, I can't understand the Adobe Flash. This.
Mr. Rahma, I will right now I will like explain the three animation that we did from the previous 3 sessions, بس هيشرحهم بone lecture together in 2 layers. Try to understand, consider this as a part of revision and as a new idea to apply. اللي مش عم يفهم. This is Adobe AN, same as Adobe Flash, the previous one. As you can see, same layout, but the difference of the name. You can find this Adobe AN on the link that I sent for you, but I recommend if you want to use this version 2018, you must have at least i5 and 4 GB RAM. Otherwise, go for the older version, the Adobe Flash. The name is Adobe Flash. If you want to install it from the link I sent for you. If you don't know, if you're having hard time to install it, today when the period ends, the last period, after Salat al-Asr, unlock your PC, or if you have a PC, go to a technician and write for him, please install Adobe Flash CS6. If you have a new PC like i5 from 4 GB to 8 GB RAM, tell him Adobe Animator. Yeah, you have a test maybe next week or maybe the after, until they confirm, so you must be ready. Don't tell me I cannot install it, my PC cannot handle it. ما بعرف مش شغلت. The girls section, they have installed by any means. They went to a technician, they used my link, but mom they did it with the teacher. And yours must. I دلعكم كتير from the beginning of the year, and I said I will wait for the next period and will wait and keep waiting. فخلاص الدلع is over. I will start like from the beginning, new. And who opened the mic and spoke because I did not understand the word.
Me, Mister, sorry about that, but I want to go to the bathroom.
Go bathroom. Yusuf, what I mean? Go bathroom. So I will keep the default value as it is. Action script 3.0, the width, the height, the background, white, everything will be like till this period as it is. Just make sure that you are on the action script 3.0. From now till forever, always use this. Do not choose other. Action script 3.0. Click OK. A new will appear, new document here, a new file. So I will start from this layer, the one by default. I will choose like a shape from here. I'm gonna choose a rectangle. Then I'm gonna make it object drawing on. Make sure it's an object drawing on. And I might keep the color as like this. So I'm gonna draw like this.
Mister, where do you do the object drawing on?
Once you click on any option from the object, the shapes, this will appear. If I click here, like here, it disappeared.
Okay.
So this only appears once you click on the shapes like this one.
Okay.
I would like to change the shape to rectangle, sorry, triangle. So I can choose the V tool. It's called the A tool, sorry, the A tool, and change it like this into triangle. And by using free transform, you can also make resizing of the shape, make it bigger, for example, or you can easily rotate like this, like the way you want to display. It doesn't matter. I have managed to draw a shape, so I will do like insert frame till 15. Then I will insert like blank keyframe. I have insert keyframe and blank keyframe. Blank keyframe means it's an empty frame here. If I insert keyframe, it will copy the triangle and put it in a separate frame alone. But in the meantime, I want blank keyframe. So I'm gonna make like insert, now frame again. This is an empty frame from 15 till 30. And I will choose another drawing, like I'm gonna choose an circle with a different color. I'm gonna draw it from from 15 to 30 like this, and object or drawing is on. So I would like to use an option called onion skin. This will help you for what? This will help you to know the location of the object or the shape or the thing that you draw here. Where is it? From 1 till 15, regarding to the new shape that you draw from 15 to 1. This is showing you transparent shape of from 1 to, I am using right now the frame from 15 to 30, the one that have circle. So I would like to make like move this little bit like this to be this below it like this. You can remove this. Now I am in 15 to 30 frame, but I know that the shape or the shape from 1 to 15, like it is, this is over it, like over each other. Now I will do like insert command blank keyframe, and I will like draw another shape, give it another color like this. Command object drawing on. You can
So
click
that's
on
from what number to what number that you are drawing right now?
which here.
Yes, 15 to 30. This is
tab Mr. Abdurrahman asking صح.
yes, Mr.
طيب عبد الرحمن هلا regarding from which number to which number, this is يعني you can manage it by yourself. انت ممكن تختار from like from 1 till 40 أول frame, but this will make يعني the longer that you choose a frame, the longer it will take the animation. I've chosen a small يعني small range حتى يكون الانيميشن سريع. بس لما تكبر انت from like say from 1 till 30 اول shape بيعمل نفس الانيميشن اللي هنعملها هلا، بس it will take more time. ف you don't have to stick to my own numbers. You can like do, for example, your own numbers from like you may choose from 1 to 10, or you may choose from 1 to 20 your first frame. So don't just stick on my own numbers. Try to use your own, but you need to try to apply the same concept that I'm applying. The shape, you can draw your own shape. You don't have to draw my shapes and same colors. You can draw your own shapes, your own colors. But once I do the animation, you must do like me, the one I'm explaining, to understand the concept for you, Abdurrahman, and for the rest. فهمت شو قصدي عبد الرحمن؟
Yes, Mr.
It's good. Now I will do like here, insert frame till I'm gonna keep it like very small till 35, and I will do like insert keyframe after it like this. I will explain why I did this later, but in the meantime go back, and from 1 to 15 I will do right click, create shape tween, and from 15 till 30 create shape tween, So let me test now. If you are able to see the shape tween is changing, it started as a triangle, it have changed into a
This is called
circle, but
the
no,
shape tween, or what is this
shape tween, yes.
thing that it changes the shape from different
Shape tween, yes.
Okay.
Shape tween, yes.
Mister, what's the difference between insert keyframe or insert blank keyframe or insert frame? Which one should I do to put a shape?
راح هفرجيك انا هلا for example هعمل remove لهادي insert here keyframe. It will do like copy this shape on frame from frame to 35 and put it in third. يعني في هذا عندك انت الشيب موجود من 30 ل 35. لما اعمل insert keyframe هيعمل copy the same shape and put it in a separate frame like on 36 right now. عرفت كيف؟ يعني this is the shape اللي شايفه انت.
Yes.
هذا الشيب شايفه انت موجود same from 30 to 35. It's same on frame لحاله 36. أما insert blank, nothing. I just, this is a frame. I insert a frame, but I did not draw anything on it. It's an empty. Insert a
okay.
frame. Insert a frame. This is the same frame, but I will do extend like this. ده الفريم من هون لهون فاضي. هلا أو ممكن أرسم عليه أي شيء. رسمت على اليسار ملان. يعني هذا لما أعمل insert frame, I will elongate the length of the frame.
To extend the frame, like the length.
امسح انا هذا لا حتى ما يصير في conflict. Remove frame. So I did from 1 till 15 insert create shape tween, from 15 till 20 create shape tween, but I will keep like this one like this. هنرجع بس نعمل animation. So it started as a triangle. While I'm moving, it will change to a circle. Then is the circle, it will change to a like rhombus or polystar shape like this. Then it will stop. I made here shape tween, shape tween. Now I would like to add another kind of animation, but on the same layer. So exactly, I'm gonna, as you saw, that I have this shape from 30 to 35, and I have keyframe for the same shape here. I would like, let me insert frame. Let me double check on it. Okay. Let me make insert this one from 35 like to 60 here. Insert frame. So this is the shape. هو نفسه من 30 ل 60 نفس الشيب. بس أنا I will start changing from 35. راح أعمل هون right click insert keyframe. So I made shape tween, then it stops here. Then the same shape continue from here till here, but the only difference I will do, this is the shape ونفسه, I will put it like position here. You will tell me why, mister, you did this. I will tell you why. Let me create classic. Once this message appeared to you, click OK. It is asking you to change it to a symbol. Click OK. Now let's do the test. Now, moving, changing, and this has changed its position. So what exactly happened here? Like, عملنا أول شيء, then it stopped to this shape, but this shape once it's changed to the, يعني عملنا shape tween to the last shape اللي هو هذا البوليستار. This shape have moved from here to here. How we can do movement from here to here? هعمل remove classic وهعمل comparing. This is the same shape from 35 till 60. At 61, it was like in this area or this position. So I've asked this shape to move from here to here, but by using classic tween. بس هو الفاكت هو we have two different shapes. كل واحد موجود على على point معينة على stage وعلى different frame. This is the shape in frame from 35 على 60 وهذا الشيب موجود على 61. But if I use the classic tween, the system will understand the shape that is here. It will move to the position of this shape. So هيعمل هو like this is a positioning for the new shape. الفكرة like you are using mathematical x and y axis. It must have it start from this position and end at this position. Like you're deciding the shape will start from this and end like this. هذه الكلاسيك tween. You decide from where it start and where it end. الفكرة from using the two shapes. This is a point it will start and this is a point it will end. So it will move from this point and it will stop to this point. ممكن I will do like remove classic. هيجي like this one. I will ask it to be like here. So once I try again make motion tween. لا مش عملت أنا ask it to make classic tween. It will move from here to here. So my point I change it to the top. It was first على right bottom. I change it to the top. So the shape will start from here and end here. This is the concept of classic tween. ما بعرف إذا فهمتوها. Did you understand the concept of classic tween ولا برجع بعيدة؟
No, I understood.
نعم. Yes. Hello.
Nothing, Mister. I said I understood it.
All of you understood it while just watching, and I need you all to understand. Then consider this period as a kind of a revision and at the same time as a concept of a new idea that you can apply more than animation and the same stage, same scene. هذه الفكرة بس. فأتمنى لكم وصل الرسالة. So we have created here right now shape tween, classic tween, and we have the last, not the least, animation of motion. So I'm gonna rename, call it like shape dash classic. Here, this is the name of the other. I will lock it because I will not use it right now, and I will like to add a new layer, and I will call this layer like dash tween. Okay, now I will like go and let me share my whole screen first so you will understand what I'm exactly doing. This is my whole screen. Everything on my PC will be available to take down. I will like do minimize type. I will bring this image, the Winnie the Pooh, and I will need to input this image inside my Adobe. Like I will drag it in like this. And it will do importing like right now. This is, I have inserted the image inside the the layer motion tween. I will like do resizing. This is a way of importing. You can easily just go like this, import. You have two options, either choose to stage or to library. What is what is the difference between import to stage or the library? A library that you can, this is your library. Everything that you import, it will be like included inside the library, but will not be imported to stage. But if you choose immediately to import to stage, it will put the image that you have chosen to upload from your PC to stage and will keep a copy from it to the library. You may use it later on for other animations or whatever. So stage will do copy here and here. Library will keep it on here, so you may use it later on. So I have included the Winnie the Pooh, but when I did an import, it only imported to I made a separate keyframe on 61. I will do like what? I will erase this all, and I want it to be on the whole frame. So I will remove frames. So Winnie the Pooh is now alone on keyframe 1. Now I will do like insert frame. So from 1 till 60, it's one object or one drawing, the image of Winnie the Pooh. I will like do the line this that I use to see how my animation is working. I'll put this line from 1, and I will ask this image to be like starting from top here. Let me change, rotate, resize, and put it like here. So I will re-explain the motion tween in the meantime, and I hope you understand everything that I'm explaining, because you must know how to do animation, because your test you need to use this program. By the way, you grade 9 and grade 10, the only 2 classes must install the programs of Adobe to do the test. Other classes,
So it will be not no. The test will be animation, not questions.
yes, it will be animation. I told you from the beginning of the period, you must install the program on your PC, and I will send you a test on Classera. You open it, and we'll do some certain steps. Then you will send. Once you finish, you will do like save as, like this, al program. You put like your name here. Say your name Abed, تعمل Abed like this, Abed, grade 9 A or B. Save, then you send it back to me.
Classera, I send it.
Yes.
Okay.
And if it doesn't send on Classera, email immediately. بعثيلي, like this, my email. You can find my email right now on the Teams. m@coralschool.edu.sa. So this is a must. You learn everything that I'm doing animation, because you must do the animation in the test. I will not ask you to do 2 layers. It will be like 1 layer. To be honest, 1 layer. And you must do 1 animation. مش هطلب منك أكتر من animation. It is one of the 3 animations, even classic or motion or shape. You must know the 3 of them, how to do the 3 of them. So once the test, you will receive it, that you will see that you have 1 animation to do. Let me do the motion tween, and بعد ما أخلص motion tween, I will let you ask for any question. We will have like maybe 10 minutes to answer your questions, and anything that is unclear for you or ambiguous, be glad to answer this question. Now I will ask, I will do like here, right click, create motion tween. Click OK. It will ask you to convert the symbol. Click OK. Now, once I create motion tween, the timeline on the layer, it will change into bright blue. Means this layer now is applicable to animation, but it doesn't do animation. No, I did not do the animation for it. How I'll do the animation? First, for example, I might put the intersection red line in frame 5, and I will click on this Winnie the Pooh and move it like this. Once I move it by mouse, you will find like a line starting from this position and moving with it. Now if I put on 10 like this, and I will ask the Winnie the Pooh to go down and maybe do rotation like this. So meaning this point, I have an animation happening on frame 5, and meaning on 10 I have another animation happening or movement on frame 10. I will make it in 20 like this, and like I will drop down Winnie, and maybe I will rotate it back to this position. I would like to move faster. I will like put it on 40, and like I will move this Winnie the Pooh here, and maybe I will make him bigger. This is kind of animation. I make him bigger. So it will start small and it will keep moving and resizing to let reach this position. So, and I will put it like in here in 50 and move this guy to this and make him like, sorry, make him like change like this. حسب كيف I would like to make animation. Then I will put it on frame, the last frame 60, and ask him to be like here. And then I will resize him and put it like very small, like this. If I do like test scene, just to see what's happening here. Yes, it is resizing. Start big, move small, like this. Are you seeing the animation, guys?
I
Yes,
think,
mister.
Mr. It will
Yes,
be
mister.
good
Is it
like
fast or is lagging?
no, it's good.
This is the animation. We have covered here 3 animations: shape, classic, and motion together on this lecture today. By the way, you can just, before I finish, you can use the sub selection. Let me see. Not the, let me try sub selection. This one. I think this one. Under curve here. You can edit by using this tool, the sub selection, the path. I made it first to be like here. You can just re-edit the path, how it is moving like this, from where to start and where it end, like using this. So if I do animation, it will change the path using the mouse, and you can just edit it. But I need to make it curve. How? Let me try double click on one of the points. But yeah, curving, you know. Why it's not curving? Type questions. What you once you did not understood, what is the thing that you are facing difficulties to understand? What are the things that you need me to repeat it for you? Because it is your responsibility. بالتست ما راح جاوب. ناس yes محمد هادي.
Mr. Can you tell us how to download the app and give us the files because I don't know how to download it.
غير طيب هلا we will see what S وليد.
Mister, Mister, can you tell us how to change the shape? Because I was not concentrated.
كيف يعني انه
Change
please
the
again
shape. Change
shape
the
of what?
shape of the animation, like this shape up. The
هيدا?
blue. Yes.
You mean the shape tween?
Yes.
I made here hide for the layers. راح اعمل لك اياه ب 2 frames بس. I will like hammer insert on keyframe. So I have from 1 till 30 keyframe, and from 30 till 60 another keyframe. Awesome. Using the shape or the object that I have here, like oval, I have polystar, and I have here like rectangle. So I draw a rectangle, give it a color, make sure it's on, object drawing is on, and I will do another drawing on, give it another color. I will draw it from 1 till 30. I will draw like another, I will draw a triangle. I'm a triangle like this. So from 1 till 30 I have triangle, and from 30 to 60 I have rectangle. Because I have two objects here, I will do for on one of them just create shape tween like this. So see.
Okay, mister.
بس لأنه أنا هون تحت here I have like 1 2 3 I have 3 objects. I will have to do for the first two only shape tween. The last I will not. Clear?
Yes, yes.
I hope. Fine. Yeah, Has this is, if you see my browser, Adobe AN, the one I'm using right now. Don't tell me I cannot download it and install it and it doesn't download. I use this version to install. This is on my PC, so it's the same version on my PC. So you must click like here on the 3 points and go for the download.
Yes, after I download it.
After you download it, هتروح عندك على الداونلودز.
Okay.
هيكون تقريبا الfolder like this compressed. You will do right click. I will not uncompress like this. هتضغط على extract to Adobe AN. هيكون اسمه Adobe AN. اوكي. إذا ضغطت عليك هيعطيك هو extracting like this. أنا هعمل لك replace. أنا already عملوا extraction. It will keep extracting until it reach both of them 100 هون. أنا هعمل cancel. Okay. Then like you will go for the setup open like this. هذا the Photoshop. عندك هيكون set up like this تقريبا. Before you click on this one, just make sure that you right click here on the internet.
And connect.
Disconnect, not connect, disconnect. Okay, هتعمل disconnect, then you click setup and do setup. Next. It will do setup. It will take time حسب your PC and your RAM and your specification of the computer. Now, once it give you it's done set up, you must use like the patch, the one I here uploaded patch and the password 1 2 3. But you have to do one thing before you extract the patch. This is a patch. I'm gonna right click extract. هيطلب منك password 1 2 3 ونفس الباتش لو موجود على you click OK. هيكون هون هذا الفايل. بس أنا I did something to not do this for it delete. I went to my, let me make minimize here. This is the antivirus usually for the Windows security. Please disable this. Double click on it if you have using Windows 10 and go for virus protection and like
So now I'm using Windows 10, 7, Windows 7.
طيب إذا نزل antivirus like Kaspersky or ما بعرف نزل, it's preferable to disable it. And once I extracted, this was deleted by the antivirus. They consider it as a virus. It's not a virus, but you are cracking a software هيعتبروها virus بيمسح لك. So you need to make like guarantee. I do guarantee for this and like I will do copy right now. شايف كمان copy هلا copy. أنا هعمل like close. هتروح عند this PC or ما بعرف بعده على Windows 7 was called like my computer. This PC هيكون Windows C or C, local disk C. You must have program 5, this one. Go for Adobe, and like you have here Adobe Animate, this one. Then you paste it. I already have pasted here. You will like do double click.
Mr. Where is the file?
Here file, the file I pasted. I made paste.
The file from the first that you got from the Adobe.
نعم.
The first step أول ما بدأنا وين الفايل اللي كان فيه فايلات تبع الأدوب؟
ما هو ده كنت عملت سيت اب صح؟
في مايكروسوفت تيم.
اللي كان مايكروسوفت يس.
ما فهمت مايكروسوفت تيم، رجع لي سؤالك بليز.
الفايل يلي حضرتك عملته بالمايكروسوفت وعملت له داونلود.
قصدك على اللينك انت هنا هون يعني؟
ايه اللينك، ايوه هذا اللينك. من وين؟
يعني انت عندك هذا وعندك هذا، انت هذا هتعمل داونلود، هو الباتش، هو ده الباتش.
اوكي مستر from where I bring it؟
هذا اللينك. ما link you have the link. This is gonna copy it and paste it again for you. هعمل لك paste اللينك. هتفتح عندك هذا اللينك like this.
one minute مستر I'm opening the link.
هفتح لك اللينك وهعملها paste من جديد. This is a show conversation. هلا انت على النت في عندك كتير مواقع، في على فكره في، هلا اعطيك موقع اشوف لك اياه موجود عندي هون، بس مشكلته في عليه كتير ادز، بيفتح كتير ادز عليه. في عندك موقع تاني اسمه crack. I think this one.
مستر فتحت الموقع.
في عندك Adobe collection. If you see the website that I'm opening right now, وين هو Adobe character animator؟ هذا I think هو هذا كله 2020، ما بعرف، هذا كله 20. بدي other version, older versions. طيب خذ الموقع خليه عندك cracking patching، في كل شيء، بكون السوفت وير نازل مع الكراك اند باتش تبعه اذا بدك اياه، الكل بده اياه. اسمه crackingpatching.com.
خلاص مستر فتحت الموقع اللي
طيب
حضرتك.
هلا انت بس تعمل انا بس خليني اكمل، بس تعمل paste للباتش بقلب الفولدر. هتروح هون تضغط على الباتش، هتروح for the last option هون موجود، اختار try to patch another product with the AMT اللي هو بكون choice 46 bit. هتضغط patch on this one، هيضغط patch. This message should give you with the okay, enabled patching done means that the program is ready to be used. ما عادش عندك أي مشكلة في البروجرام used forever.
Thank you.
Okay. Questions؟ حدا ما عنده سؤال؟
مستر.
طيب.
No, Mr.
Mister,
Do you have to turn off your internet while you're doing it?
بس قبل ما تعمل set up, yes, to disable the internet for the first 1 minute. Then once it starts doing set up, عمل connect to the internet. مش بحاجة تكون
Okay.
all the time disabled. نعم. هل عندك سؤال؟ نعم.
اسوي ايش اول يا مستر؟ السيت اب ولا الباتش باسورد؟
لا، أول شيء set up، بس ما تخلص set up تستخدم الباتش.
طيب شكرا مستر.